siya pero hindi niya mahanap since Tokyo is such a big city, hindi niya makita yung girl na nakabangga niya. Pero yun, the day after, coincidentally, nagkita pa rin sila ni Sam.
So the song Born For You plays a major part talaga sa sa Red String of Fate ni Sam and Kevin, right? Ayun pala yun, Jim.
And then, last question, aside from Born For You,
Jim.
mag-expect ba kami ng iba pang songs?
Oh, interesting. Sige, you may kwento,
Definitely.
Kevin.
Definitely.
Kevin, ano? Ano?
Definitely. Since our soap is really based on love and music, marami kayong music plays a big part in the show. So marami kaming songs na ipi-play na yeah, for sure. Pag narinig niyo, ano sila, bagay na bagay siya sa theme ng soap namin. And pag narinig niyo sila, yeah, bagay siya.
Yeah. Per chapter ng lives nila, yung mga stages, merong isang song talaga na babagay.
Na pagdadaanan ni Kevin pati ni Sam.
Hindi ko lang alam kung appropriate nang i-announce dito that this Born For You has two sound siya. Ivan, tama can I announce now? The Sam and Kevin CD and the Soul Sessions po na kakanta rin ng mga kwento na part ng Born For You teleserye Jimpin. Interesting. We'll have another a press con for the launch of the CD.
Alright. Thank you and congrats in advance.
Thank you.
Thank you, Jimpy.
Thank you, James.
May music questions pa ba?
Yes, partner, we have a question from Glenn Sibonga.
Si Glenn nandyan. Hi, Glenn.
Ayan. Tanong ko sana yung soundtrack pero nasabi na. Pero another music question. Siyempre, nakasama niyo dun sa paggawa ng music videos, yung original singer mismo, di ba? Si David Pomeranz. How does it feel? At saka, nagkaroon ba kayo ng chit-chat? Or may nakakwentuhan niyo rin ba siya?
Yeah, it's so surreal na himself, David Pomeranz himself, flew in to sing a new rendition of his original song, Born For You, para sa soap namin. And yeah, it's such a big honor na na-meet namin siya to shoot our music video. Plus, coincidentally, share ko lang nag-taping kami in Resorts World. Tapos, so, nung break namin, bumaba ako. And then, as in coincidentally, ano na to, like, this year lang, I saw David Pomeranz again. And then he had the show down in Resorts World, and then, yun, sabi ko sa kanya, I'm so excited because nilabas na yung music video and pinakita ko sa kanya, yun, he's so inspiring, parang nakaka-inspire siya, plus, yeah, to just see his presence dito, like, it's just, sobrang like, overwhelmed.
Janelle.
Meron session na dinalaw niya kayo dito? Recording ba yun? Who was recording at that time na nagkita kayong tatlo sa Recording ni
Sir David.
Ni David, okay. Sige,
Ikaw,
go ahead,
Janelle,
Janelle.
yung experience mo.
Grabe talaga. I mean, not all shows naman will really meet the original singer of their theme song. So, it's such a big thing for me. Sobrang natuwa ako nung nalaman ko na siya talaga mismo yung kakanta. May version talaga siya. And nakakwentuhan ko siya ng konti lang. I heard he has a house yata here in the Philippines or something. Kasi he's always here. Or maybe basta he's always here. And
Second
yun,
home niya
it's
na
just
yata.
so surreal na nakausap ko siya.
Pero nagbigay ba siya ng advice or tips somehow? May mga ganun ba?
Hindi pa naman siya masyadong... Yeah.
The music video shoot, you were together,
Yes.
right?
No, but I remember, sabi kaya niya sa'yo, like, you're so good at singing.
Oh,
Sabi
may
niya,
ganun pala eh.
he heard Janela sing it dun sa recording namin, and then he said, you're really good. He said,
Wow.
Naka-flatter naman talaga.
Okay.
Siyempre may version kayo na duet or solo-solo rin nitong Born For You. O aabangan namin yun.
Actually, we can announce that tomorrow is Red String Wednesday.
yes,
Oh.
tomorrow
So we are
definitely-
airing the Janela Elmo version ng Born For You. It's so
Wow.
beautiful, arranged by Mr. Jonathan Manalo.
Last question, another music question. Kung i-describe niyo ang isa't isa, anong song na pwede niyo i-describe yung isa't isa?
Anong song si Elmo for you, Jaya? And
Based dun sa pinagsamahan niyo na pagkakakilala niyo na, yun na.
You're into music, di ba both kayo into music?
I have one.
Okay.
Go,
Elmo
Elmo.
has an answer. Sige na, para impromptu.
Oo
di ba?
nga.
Malay mo naman. Sige, go ahead,
Go,
Elmo. Song for Jaya, Janela. Hindi siya magagalit. Song for Elmo na pagkakilala mo sa kanya in the next, yung huling week, months na